I'm Tess McDougall. I was in the first production of The Locket, and this is my favorite part, and this is my favorite page of the book. Today is my birthday. My grandparents and my grand-aunt sent me money in envelopes. I got $100 all together. I'm going to get a new bike with the money. The bike I want has 3 speeds, and it's dark, shiny blue. It is an English bicycle. I guess that means it's the kind they ride in England. Anyway, my mom will take me to pick it up tomorrow when she gets home from work. I'm so excited. I've never used speeds before. We had cake and ice cream for dessert and steak for supper. The steak was so tender, and I got the bone. My dad usually gets the bone, but it's my birthday. They sang happy birthday to me, and my grandparents came over after dinner for dessert. Everyone hugged and kissed me. My grandma asked me if Aunt Belinda had sent me a present. I said yes, and she said, "Well, what is it?" I felt embarrassed, and I said, "Wait a minute, I have to go to the bathroom." I raced upstairs and ran to my underwear drawer. There it was, the unopened package. I ripped it open. It was a gold locket on a chain. It was so beautiful, in the shape of a heart, and on the front was an engraved design. The locket opens and has space for 2 pictures. Aunt Belinda had put a picture of me in one of the openings. The other was blank. I loved it. Her note said, "To my precious niece, happy birthday and many more. Love, Aunt Belinda." I raced around my room so excited, holding the locket right up to my heart. Then I put it on. Then I flushed the toilet so my grandmother actually thought I went to the bathroom. Then I went downstairs. That's a lovely locket. Isn't it nice? And in the shape of a heart. And how sweet it opens. What a beautiful picture of you. I wonder who you put in the other side. Maybe your brother? Wear it in good health. Grandma hugged me and slipped into my other hand a $50 bill. I had a wonderful day, except I knew I would never put my brother in the other side.